Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you how you earn USDT to your Trust wallet or any other wallet in which you make use of. So guys, follow this video to the end and you'll be getting step-by-step guide on how to do just that. So guys, please make sure to like this video, subscribe, click on the notification bell so you'll be among the first to be updated whenever we post a new video. So the link is in the description box below. When you tap on it, it will be bringing you over to this place. All you need to do is to input your email, password, re-enter your password, then the invitation code will be appearing automatically. Then you go ahead to sign up, and after your sign up, you can tap on the sign in button to input your email and password. When you input your email and password, you tap on sign in and you'll be logged into your account. Over here, when you're logged into your account, you'll be given 100 USDT for free when you register a new account, and the minimum deposit is 10 USDT and the minimum withdrawal is 1 USDT. So as you can see, for the VIP levels or the VIP 1, when you deposit 10 USDT you get 3.0 USDT daily. VIP 2, 65 USDT to get 19.1 USDT. VIP 3, you deposit 285 USDT to get 83.8 USDT, and so on and so forth. Then for your referral, whenever you refer a user to this platform, you are going to be getting a reward for that. You'll be getting 10% reward when you refer a user, and when that user refers another user, the other user, which is VIP, which is team B deposit. So this is how you are going to earn on the referral. Now to recharge, all you need to do is tap on the recharge, which is over here. Now when you tap on recharge, it will be taking you over to this part where you are going to be copying the USDT address. Now when you tap on the copy, it's going to be copied. Then you send the amount of USDT in which you want to deposit, and after your deposit is done, you tap on recharge completed and it's going to be reflecting on your balance. And when it has reflected, you'll be upgraded. The VIP will be upgraded automatically. As you can see, this is the VIP 1 which I am on, and it's upgraded automatically. Now, and you're going to be, this is where you're going to be seeing your balance. Your balance will be showing over here. Now after that is done, you go to the tax, which is down here, to do your tax so that you'll be able to activate your withdrawal. Now when you tap on the tax, what you need to do is to tap on to complete, and when you tap on to complete, your tax is going to be done immediately, and you do your tax every day to earn. Now as you can see, it has been added to my balance, which is 3 USDT has been added. Now next is to place your withdrawal by tapping on the withdrawal, which is over here. And when you tap on the withdrawal, you input the amount of USDT you want to withdraw, your USDT TRC20 address, then your password, which I'm going to be doing now. So when you input your details, you tap on confirm and it's going to be sent to your wallet. Now this is how you place your withdrawal on withdrawal.vi.com. So I'm going to be showing you a withdrawal proof, but before I'm going to be showing you how to get your referral link by tapping on the team, which is down here. Now when you tap on the team, it will bring you over to this place. All you need to do now is to tap on the copy. So you copy your referral link, share to your friends and others so they too can also earn. Now going to check on, I'm going to be showing you that right away. So as you can see, this is a withdrawal of 3 USDT which has been received immediately, and the withdrawal is really fast. Not take time before it appears in your wallet. So guys, this is how you can earn on this platform with a minimum of 10 USDT. So if you know you enjoy what we'll be doing on this channel by bringing up updates in which you can earn with, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe and click on the notification bell so whenever we upload new content, you are going to be among the first to be updated. And also the link to our Telegram channel is in the description box below, and also our WhatsApp channel is also in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and see you on my next video.